Hello everyone, welcome to the SYBSc class subject Medical Microbiology and Immunology. In this video tutorial, we will talk about the another pathogen that is Candida albicans. Candida albicans is classified in a kingdom fungi, division Ascomycota, class is Saccharomycetes, order Saccharomycetes, family Saccharomycetidae, genus Candida, and the species albicans. Here is the morphological characters of Candida albicans. It is small, oval, measuring about 2 to 4 micrometer in diameter. Yeast form a unicellular and reproduced by the budding. Here you see the reproduction type that small bud is come out from the yeast cell. Then single budding of the cell may be seen. Here you can see the this 3 or the 4 cells, only single bud is there. Both yeast and the pseudohyphae are gram positive. There are the three different type of the morphological features shown by the Candida albicans. It may show a yeast type of morphology, it may show the pseudohyphae, or it may show the proper hyperstructure. It is encapsulated and diploid also from a true hyphae. Here you can see the true hyphae. Polymorphic fungus, they show the yeast as well as the pseudohyphal form. It can form a biofilm, which is a sticky layer on a particular substratum. Biofilm is the sticky layer which is formed by the particular bacteria or the fungus onto a particular substratum. In normal condition, they generally form a yeast-like structures. In special conditions, like if we provide the spatial pH and the temperature, in that condition they form a pseudo-hypal structure. 80 to 90% of cell wall is made up from the carbohydrate. If you see the cultural characteristics of Candida albicans, so if you grow onto a Sabrodos dextrose agar. So onto a Sabrodos dextrose agar, this shows a creamy pasty color colonies, smooth after 24 to 48 hours at 25 to 37 centigrade. They are the yeast smell, and they have some particular odor. Onto a blood agar, they show the white creamy color colonies, foot-like extensions from the margin. On the potato dextrose agar, they show the smooth creamy colonies after 24 to 48 hours. On the chromo agar, they show the green color colonies. Here you can see the morphology, that is onto a Sabrodos dextrose agar, chromo agar, which shows the green color colonies, and the blood agar, which shows the white color colonies, and they show the fruit like extension from the margin. These are the extensions from the margins. If you see the pathogenicity, so they are opportunistic fungal pathogen that causes candidiasis in human. It is opportunistic. That means when they got a opportunity to cause a infection, in that condition they only cause a disease. Occurs in immunocompromised people such as HIV infected, transplant recipient, chemotherapy patients, etc. This disease is only occurs in a immunocompromised people, or you can say that this infection is only found in those peoples which have a less immunity power. There are the different type of mode of transmissions. This candidiasis disease is maybe transferred from mother to infant through the childbirth, rarely through the sexual contact, people to people transmission in hospitals. If we see the pathogenesis, so first they adhere to the host cell. These are the host cell. These are the yeast. They firstly adhere to the host cell. Then the thigmotrophism. Thigmotrophism, that means the attachment of fungal cell to the particular substratum. Okay, or you can say that it is a physical contact with a solid object. Okay, so here is the solid object is there, that is host cell, so it makes a physical contact with the cell. Then it produces some kind of the toxin, and this toxin are responsible for the invasion of the fungal cell into a host cell. So here this fungal cell they invade का मतलब होता है कि उसे पार करना. तो ये फंगल सेल जो होती है ये होस्ट सेल के को पार कर जाती है डैमेज करके, और ये अंदर आ जाती है. जैसे ये अंदर आती है तो बायोफिल्म का फॉर्मेशन करना शुरू कर देता है, और बायोफिल्म जो होता है ये इसको हमारी बॉडी काउंटर अटैक नहीं कर पाती, क्योंकि ये स्टिकी लेयर होता है और स्टिकी लेयर पर ये जनरली काम हमारी बॉडी काम नहीं कर पाती, ठीक है। सो candidiasis diseases, there are the different types of candidiasis which is found in humans, that is mucosal candidiasis. म्यूकोजल कैंडिडियासिस के भी अलग अलग लोकेशंस की वजह से अलग अलग नाम है, जैसे कि ओरल कैंडिडियासिस है जो कि म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ माउथ में अंदर होता है, एंगुलर चिलाइटिस है, इन्फ्लामेशन ऑफ वन और बोथ कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द माउथ, इसोफेगल कैंडिडियासिस, इन्फेक्शन ऑफ इसोफेगल पेन ड्यूरिंग द swallowing, cutaneous candidiasis another type, that is it cause a candida folliculitis infection and the inflammation of hair follicle. A rash may appear as pimples. Candidal intertrigo infection of skin located between the intertriginous fold of adjacent skin. Then the candidal paronychia inflammation of the nail folds. नेल के अंदर के जो फोल्स होते हैं वहां पर इन्फेक्शन होता है, इन्फ्लामेट हो जाता है, स्वेलिंग होती है, ठीक है। पेरियानल कैंडिडियासिस इरिटेशन ऑफ द स्किन एट द एक्सिट ऑफ द रेक्टम। देन द क्रोनिक म्यूकोक्यूटानस कैंडिडियासिस इम्यून डिसऑर्डर ऑफ टी सेल डेफिशिएंट ऑफ द सेल मेडिएटेड इम्यून रिस्पांस। अगर टी सेल ही मर जाएगी तो फिर सेल मेडिएटेड इम्यून रिस्पांस नहीं रह पाएगा। then the diaper candidiasis infection of the child diaper area, then the candidal onychomycosis, that is nail infection. Another the systemic candidiasis is there, that is candidemia leads to the sepsis, disseminated candidiasis, then the endocarditis, gastrointestinal tract infection, respiratory tract infection, genitourinary candidiasis, hepatosplenic candidiasis, it causes the infection of the hepatocytes of liver or the spleen. Okay. Lab diagnosis, it is carried out through the microscopic examination. You can take a specimen as exudates, that the body secretions, tissue, and the by skin scraping or the skull scraping from the head. Microscopic examination of scraping is done by the examinated in wet film that 10% KOH. Visualization of the pseudohyphae and budding yeast cells of Candida, that is gram staining, or this shows the gram positive characteristics. कल्चरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ये हम ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं कि सेवरल डेक्सोज अगर पर क्रीमी व्हाइट कलर की कॉलोनीज दिखाती है, क्रोमो अगर पर ग्रीन कलर की कॉलोनीज आती है। आइडेंटिफिकेशन अगर करना है तो जर्म ट्यूब टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें अगर जर्म ट्यूब प्रोड्यूस होती है विद इन 2 आवर्स व्हेन इंक्यूबेटेड इन ह्यूमन स्किन एट 37 डिग्री, सो आप ये कंफर्म कर सकते हैं कि हो ना हो ये कैंडिडा अल्बिकन्स का ही इन्फेक्शन है। देन द अनदर टेस्ट which you carry out, that is Chlamydospores testing by the these spores are produced by the Candida albicans on corn meal or the rice agar at 25 degrees centigrade. They produces a round thick wall chlamydospores borne terminally or laterally. You can also carry out the biochemical test, glucose and the maltose fermentation with acid and the gas production, sucrose and the lactose non-fermented, pale pink color colonies in tetrazolium reduction medium. ग्लूकोज और माल्टोज को वो फर्मेंट करता है और फर्मेंट करने की वजह से वो वहाँ पर एसिड और गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है, तो इससे भी कंफर्म हो सकता है। सुक्रोज और लैक्टोज के ऊपर अगर ग्रो करने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो उसको फर्मेंट नहीं करेगा, तो उससे भी कंफर्म हो सकता है। और अगर टेट्राजोलियम रिडक्शन मीडियम पर अगर उसे ग्रो करते तो वो पेल पिंक कलर की कॉलोनीज को क्या करता है, शो करता है। What is on the prophylaxis and the chemotherapy? Prevention and control of Candida albicans. Keep healthy lifestyle, good hygiene, proper nutrition, careful antibiotic use, add probiotics, reduce sugar intake, wear cotton underwear and the loose pants, change immediately wet clothes. Okay. What is that? Add probiotics. Probiotics are the take those bacteria which is beneficial to our health. That means curd that contains the lactobacilli, so they are beneficial to our health, so you can take a curd for that. Then what are the treatment? On the basis of a different kind of infection, there is a different treatment for the candidiasis. If the infection is oral candidiasis, then nystatin, miconazole, amphotericin B, they are used for the, these antibiotics are used for the oral candidiasis. Then cutaneous candidiasis, clotrimazole, icanozole, cyclopirox, miconazole, ketoconazole and the nystatin, they are used for the cutaneous candidiasis. Systemic and the oral azoles, fluconazole, intraconazole or the pasaconazole, which is used for the systemic or the oral azoles. For vulvovaginitis, single dose of oral fluconazole, typical antifungals such as the butaconazole, clotrimazole, and etc. Blood infections, for the blood infection, intravenous fluconazole or an echinocandidin used. Then the candidemia, fluconazole, and the anidifungin, which is used for the candidemia. Okay, so this is about the Candida albicans. Thank you.